Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to allow photo access on Instagram updated with the latest steps so everything works seamlessly on your device. Whether you just installed Instagram or noticed your photos aren't showing up when trying to post, this quick guide will fix that in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. It doesn't matter whether you're on Android or iPhone, this step is the same starting point. Once you're inside your settings, scroll down and look for apps or applications. Tap on that, and then find Instagram in your list of installed apps. After selecting Instagram, you'll see several options like notifications, storage, data usage, and permissions. Go ahead and tap on permissions. This is where you control what Instagram is allowed to access on your device. Inside the permissions menu, look for photos. Depending on your phone, it might also say media or files. And media, they all serve the same purpose. Tap on it to open the options. Now, you'll see choices such as allow only while using the app, or don't allow. To make sure Instagram can access and upload your pictures smoothly, choose allow. This gives the app permission to browse your photo library whenever you want to create a post, story, or reel. Once you've done that, exit your settings and go back to Instagram. Try uploading a photo again. It should now show all your pictures without any issue. If your pictures still don't appear, double-check that you applied the change correctly or restart your phone to refresh the settings. Most of the time, though, enabling that permission is all it takes to solve the problem. And that's it. You've successfully allowed photo access for Instagram. Now you can share your favorite memories, post new content, and keep your feed active without any interruptions. Thanks for watching. Thanks for